Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today we're going to be doing a major recap. This is going to be part one of the recap of everything done on the house. Well, the roof is complete. The house is dried in. It's time to recap the entire operation and get prepared for what's to come. There's an old septic tank that's going to be removed for an underground retention pond. There was a lot of interior work that had to be completed when the roof was installed. So, this point on, unless there's something specific to show, I will address the individual shots by the room they are in. So let's get started. Here is the plumbing in the basement. Now we're in the family room, the front office, the ductwork ready to be installed in the front hallway, the kitchen. I put the shots out of order to include both interior and exterior shots, so I do have some drone shots. Next, we have the family room. Then looking in at the dining room. My favorite shot was from the staircase landing of the family room. Now the plumbing running up to the second level. Now the chimney that was complete. I could see the potential in working on some rotational pans. Front right bedroom bath. Look at the roof joist for the front porch. A high pull away bird's eye. The upstairs framing and plumbing in the master bath. Another high fly into from the bird's eye. Next, we have the stairwell window. Then the master bedroom. And then looking down from the master deck to the lower deck. Sure hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe and share. And visit our website, droneeducationservices.com, for more materials and special features.